tulog.
Ang bango.
Bakit ba? Terminal 21 yung I think and I believe one of the malls here in Pattaya. What?
I feel comfortable using Ernest.
Using the Los Angeles shirt? Yeah. At medyo napaaga yung punta namin kasi di ko na-check na 11 AM pa pala yung pag-o-open yung mall. And yeah, this is my friend Alan. Feeling comfy with his LA
borrowed shirt. Yeah, that's how it
Bakit?
should be. Borrowed shirt.
Bakit? Anong masama sa panghihiram?
What the dog doing?
Ikaw na lang video ko.
Naantok na ako guys. Si Vika lang.
Oh, naputos.
Disney nga.
Wow. Oh, ang galing naman.
Friendship Alex, mag-FB live ako para mapapanood ko din ka.
Parang ang baliw.
Over here. The back room on the second floor. Yeah.
Okay, finish?
Done. That's fine.
Thank you!
Thank you! Hindi ka mag-try.
Diba? Kasi kulaan mo ano.
Yung sabon kanina.
It's the spoons. It's the pair of spoons that Rika used
Wala naman tayo.
to dip up.
Mga itlog, gano'n.
Pag isa ka ba ha?
Okay.
Is the bestseller.
Really?
Bestseller.
Kasi order ako ng malala. Matutulog na lang ako mamaya.
Which sells best?
Kasi parang gusto ko yung brown.
I'll have one chocolate.
Sige, friendship.
And then I won't order any
Sige
drinks.
lang.
Then among your pasta, which sells best?
Bestseller? What's your bestseller here?
Pasta.
อันไหนขายดีครับเบสเซล
I'll have that. Friendship, how much is your money? Let's move on to my drink.
เบสเทนนิส
Okay.
It's okay.
Two of this.
Sige lang, order lang kayo.
Yeah.
Ala, nape-pressure ako. Ay,
You
di magkano
order
Di ba?
drinks na lang.
Friendship, di ba, busog ka na sa 7-Eleven? I know. Kaya, don't order anything. Okay na ako.
Nag-search akong cafe na malapit. Ngayon ka magmura. Ngayon ka magmura. Sanctuary. We are now off to the Kaohsiung Road. To eat dinner.
Mag-batcha ulit tayo.
Tigilan mo na ka-cafe. Kahit hindi tama ang ginagawa ng sinta.
Baship na kung tuwa si Mika. Kanta niya siguro yan.
Kaya basta ba'y makasama lang kita kahit kapiling mo pa siya.
Fifth day?
No? Is it? Yeah, fifth day.
Fifth day in
Siargao. Ay, Thailand.
Thailand.
What did you order, Friendship Alan?
Lobster shrimp.
What about you, Beth?
I ordered braised pork with egg and rice.
What about you, Friendship?
Saan ito nilalagay? Saan ito nilalagay?
I think it is for your
Ang punta dito.
Guys, imagine ang aga na namin nagpunta dito, pero ang dami agad tao. Pero yon, okay naman kasi nga nag-hire kami ng photographer, so hindi na kami masyadong mahihirapang mag-picture-picture sa aming mga sarili. Tsaka super bait pa. Brother, what's your name?
Chi.
T. Huh?
Chi, Papa. Chi.
P, Papa. Okay, I will upload this on YouTube. So,
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Hello.
She is an artist from my country.
Wow.
She's very famous in Cambodia and in the Philippines.
YouTuber.
Artist,
Yeah,
YouTuber and a model.
You gave your Instagram account to my
me,
friend, right?
yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to put your
Thank
username
you. Thank you.
on my YouTube so that... Hello! If you ever get a chance to visit Wat Arun, kindly contact brother
P.
Okay. P. Okay. Thank you very much. Kabun ka.
Si Alan sa tape. Sabi ko talaga.
Nagmamaganda kasi. Dahil dyan, videohan mo kung naglalakad.
Sa taas, umakyat ka sa pinakataas.
Baba mo isang pa.
O yung videoan.
Bakit ba?
Ito ko alam, putang ina.
Tumingala ka. Chin down, chin down.
Yan.
Hama ka sa bulsa mo.
Baba ka ng konti.
Tapos sa bulsa mo.
Ganun ka, ganun.
Yes. So yun guys, paakyat kami doon sa recline Buddha. And kailangan, you have to take off your shoes. And there's a bag na pwede nyo ilagay yung shoes nyo. So nakapila kami. Dahan-dahan kami.
Wow, that's nice.
เนื้อที่จะมีทั้งหมดประมาณ700 ไร่
The total area will be approximately 600 to 700 rai.
Oh, so
Wow.
huge. So huge.
So big.
Yeah, so massive.
Hindi nagpat.
Gamit ay nag-vlog. Nakita niyo yung view? It's giving. Maganda na ng alas.
Kasi yung tao ko, halatang may hika ko.
Friendship, nun
55 steps.
Nundirina Suna. Yun yung pangalan niya.
Ano? Sinabi niya?
Yun yung friendship. May English siya. Meron siyang English.
Name?
Okay, so ito yung Cafe Arabica na matatagpuan nyo. Wow. Matatagpuan. Sa Empire Tower. 55th floor. So, ayan. Ayan lang siya. Dito, blanco. So, walang ano. And then, ito yung view from the 55th floor. Pero parang hindi makikita. Hindi na. Pero ayan. Nasa 55th floor. May nagpa-picture. So So ngayon guys, papunta kami ngayon sa McDo. Galing kami sa Arabica, dun sa may Empire Tower nga. And then we decided to like eat sa McDo. Oh my god, nihingal ako. Tapos, ayan. Ang tawag nila dito is Skylink. Skylink. Yung tawag dito sa dinadaanan namin. Papuntang McDo. And then ito, pagkatanong nila kung saan yung McDo. Ayan. So there is Alan asking someone where McDo is.